Good morning. Today is, that's right, Subtraction Tuesday. Good morning, William, Jenna, Nevaeh, Olivia, Ree, RJ, Spencer, Victoria, Araylin, Dominic, Kellen, Halen, Kira, Ace, Logan, Chloe, Zachary, Patrick, John, Sadie, Cody, Michael, Paige, and Kaden. All right. Yesterday we talked about addition, and subtraction is just the opposite of addition. So when you're subtracting, just like with addition, you need to know how to do it quickly. Now addition you can memorize quickly, you can look for those patterns, that's true. Subtraction is a little different, but it's still looking for patterns to how to figure it out quickly. All right, so I have two problems up here. 17 minus 4 and 17 minus 11. Now, when you see a small number right here, when you're taking away a small number, the easiest way to solve it is to just count backwards. So, before we solve this, let's count backwards together, okay? And we're going to start at, let's start at 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Oh, we gotta keep going. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we did this in class, so we can count backwards. So, like I said, when it's a small number, I would say 7 or less. 7 or less. If this number is 7 or smaller, count backwards. It's pretty easy. But when it gets to be a bigger number, that's a lot of numbers you have to count backwards. But because subtraction is the opposite of addition, if you're subtracting a bigger number, you could count forward or up to get to this number, and however many numbers you counted, that's your answer. So we're going to try both of these, okay? So 17 minus 4, 17. And if you need a little help with keeping track with your fingers, go ahead for now. But I want you to keep practicing until you don't need your fingers anymore, okay? 17 minus 4, 17. 16, 15, 14, 13. There. Oh, there we go. 13 is our answer. Okay. 13. Nice work. Pretty easy. Just. But if I was to go 17, and I don't even have 11 fingers, it'd be hard to keep track. So like I said, count forward. If this minus number is more than 7, count forward, count up. 17, okay. We're gonna start at this number. Just like we started at this number, we started at this number here, but we're gonna start at this number this time, okay? So we're gonna start with 11, but we're gonna stop at 17. 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers do I have up? That's right, 5, 6. So, 6 is our answer. Now, if we wanted to check that, the easiest way to check it would just be to add these two numbers together. 11 plus 6. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Same thing here. Add the last two numbers together and you got this number. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Got it right. Now, I thought we'd have a little challenge here. And we're going to decide, am I going to go this way or am I going to go this way? Now, Miss Brooke wrote her numbers on a pattern because I wanted to see if anyone could figure out that pattern. Because like I've said in previous videos, math is all about patterns, okay? Now, 18 minus 3. What do you guys think? Should we count backwards or count forward? Now, remember what I said. About 7, you want to start counting 7 or less, count backwards. But if it's more than 7, count up, okay? All right, so here we go. 18 minus 3, what do you think? Yep, over here, okay? So 18, 17, 16, 15. How easy was that? Okay, so I'm gonna write my answer right here. Okay, now what do you guys think? 16 minus 11. Should we count backwards or forwards? I would count forwards, that's right. 11, but we're gonna start 11 when we count forwards. 11, and we're gonna stop at 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's my answer. All right. Now, once again, what do you think? 15 minus 12. I agree. Count up. Let's do it together. Okay, I'm going to give you a second. All right, there you go. 12, because when we count up, we start at this number. Okay? 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 14 minus 5. What do you think? If you are saying count backwards, you're right. Because it's not going to take that long. 14. When we're counting backwards, we start with the first number. When we're counting forward, we start with the second number. Don't forget that. Otherwise, you're going to get really confused. Okay, 14 minus 5, counting backwards. 14. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Oh, yeah, gotta write green. Okay, 13 minus 9. What do you think? Yep, I said 7 or less and 9's more. So we're going to count up, but remember to count up from the middle. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Look at that, 4, 4. Okay, 12 minus 10. I'm going to count up. You're right. 10, 11, 12. How easy was that? Now, 11 minus 2. Oh, that's a little number. Let's count backwards, okay? 11. Now, I didn't say this, but I want to make sure I do. When you're counting backwards and you start at this number, you don't go 11. No. The first number you say, then you put your finger up, okay? 11, 10, 9. 9 is my answer. Whatever that number I said, that's my answer. Okay, 10 minus 4. All right. Oh, you're right. You saw that. That's even got a minus 4 right here. We're going to count backwards, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Now, let's see if can draw arrows to which ones they go to. Which one did this one? How did we do this one? Yep. Woo. How did we do this one? Yep. How did we do this one? Yep. How did we do this one? Yes. Yep. Yep. Now, I want to pick two of them just to make sure we are right. Okay, so I'm going to pick one from an arrow on this side and one from an arrow on this side, okay? So I like the number 14. So I'm going to write 14. And I got 5. And I have a 9. Okay. Now when we know we do our number bond, we can just, when we have these numbers, we just add these two to see if it's that one. What's 9 plus 5? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got it. Now let's do a number problem over here. Okay. Tell me when to stop. Which one are we going to do? Tell me when to stop. Oh, this one. Okay. So, you guys maybe stop on 15 minus 12 equals. Ooh, good thing I stopped on that one. So, biggest number goes in the top of our bond. And we got 12 and 3. Now, we just check it like this. 12 plus 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. Got it. All right, now, here's a challenge for you. All right, Patrick had some donuts. He gave 5 to John. Now he has 8. How many did he start with? Well, first thing you do is set it up. When you see that word sum, that means blank. So Patrick had blank. He gave 5 to John. Well, if you give someone, that means subtraction because you're getting smaller, you're taking away. Now he has 8 equals 8. So blank plus, no, Miss Burke. Blank minus 5 equals 8. I want to see if you can figure it out. Now, I told you that we would look at a problem from yesterday, and we're going to. Okay? Let's revisit it so we can figure out the answer. Caden has some lemon heads. Paige gives him 6. Now, he has 15. How many do you start with? Well, I set up my number bond. 15 blank, well, yeah, you're right. I did do this first. I set plus, because there's nothing there, plus 6 equals 15. So then I set up my number bond, or everything I knew in my number bond. I know that when I do plus and I have the answer, it goes on top. 15, okay. So I have to figure out what goes there. Well, if I have 15, because that's my end, and he gave me 6 of those, well, I'm just going to do the opposite, okay? So it actually, when you have this, it actually becomes a subtraction problem, okay? So 15 minus 6. Now remember what I said, if it's 7 or less, count backwards. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 9. If you got 9 for an answer, however you did it, you All right. Good job. All right, have a fabulous Tuesday, and I will see you back here tomorrow for science.